The power of letting go. In a bustling village nestled by a meandering river, there lived a fisherman named Arun. He was renowned for his unmatched skill with the net and his ability to bring home the largest catches. Yet, despite his success, Arun was weighed down by an invisible burden: his inability to let go of the past. Years ago, Arun had lost a prized possession, a golden ring gifted to him by his late father. During a fierce storm, it had slipped from his finger and disappeared into the river's depths. From that day on, he made it his life's mission to find the ring, convinced that without it, he could never truly honor his father or find peace. Every day, Arun would cast his net, not for fish, but for the elusive ring. His obsession consumed him. He neglected his friends, his family, and even the beauty of the river he once loved. His once joyful demeanor grew heavy, like the weight of the nets he cast. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Arun sat on the riverbank, exhausted and defeated. Beside him sat an old monk who often wandered through the village. The monk watched Arun in silence for a while before speaking. "You seem troubled, my son. What burdens you so?" Arun sighed, too tired to hold back his thoughts. "I've been searching for something I lost, a ring that meant everything to me. Without it, I feel incomplete." The monk nodded thoughtfully. "Let me tell you a story," he said. "There was once a traveler who carried a heavy sack of stones wherever he went. When asked why, he explained that each stone represented a mistake, a regret, or a loss from his past. He believed that carrying them would remind him to avoid future mistakes. But the weight of the sack slowed him down, robbed him of joy, and kept him from reaching his destination. One day, he met a wise woman who said, "You carry not the lessons of your past, but its weight. Let go of what no longer serves you, and you will travel farther and faster." The traveler hesitated but began discarding the stones one by one. With each stone he released, he felt lighter, freer, and more alive. The monk looked at Arun, his eyes kind but piercing. "Perhaps you are carrying your own stones. Is the ring you seek truly what your father wanted for you? Or is it the love and memories you shared that truly honor him?" Arun sat in silence, the monk's words swirling in his mind. He thought of his father's laughter, his guidance, and the moments they had shared fishing by this very river. None of those memories needed the ring to be real. The next morning, as the first rays of sunlight danced on the water, Arun walked to the river. He cast his net, but this time for fish, not a lost treasure. The river seemed to shimmer with approval, its currents carrying away the weight of his obsession. Over time, Arun became the joyful fisherman he once was, finding peace not in what he had lost but in what he still had. The river, the sky, and the love of his family filled his days. And though the golden ring never resurfaced, Arun discovered something far more valuable: the power of letting go. Let's learn some words from the story. Bustling. Definition: full of energetic and noisy activity. Example: the bustling village by the river was always alive with chatter and movement. Renown. Definition: known or talked about by many people. Famous. Example: Arun was renowned for his exceptional skill in fishing, admired by villagers and travelers alike. Elusive. Definition: difficult to find, catch, or achieve. Example: the golden ring remained elusive, no matter how hard Arun searched. Obsession. Definition: an idea or thought that preoccupies or intrudes on someone's mind continually. Example: Arun's obsession with finding the lost ring consumed his every waking moment. Trudge. Definition: to walk slowly and with heavy steps, typically due to exhaustion or difficulty. Example: the traveler trudged under the weight of his sack of stones, each step harder than the last. Radiating. Definition: emitting energy, warmth, or light, projecting an emotion strongly. Example: The monk sat radiating calm and wisdom, his presence soothing Arun's troubled heart. Rejuvenated. Definition: made young, energetic, or refreshed again. Example: after letting go of his obsession, Arun felt rejuvenated and returned to the joys of fishing. Harmony. Definition: agreement or concord, a pleasing combination of elements in a whole. Example: the river seemed to flow with a sense of harmony, reflecting Arun's inner peace.